Hello everyone, myself Sowmya, Assistant Professor in CSE AIML Department, MLR Institute of Technology. So in this video, we are going to discuss about PHP operators. So this video mainly focuses on what are the different PHP operators we have. So we have so many operators in PHP. So those operators are categorized into different categories. So one is arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, increment decrement operators, logical operators, string operators and array operators. So we will see one by one. So coming to the arithmetic operators. So we know we have so many arithmetic operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus division. So we have same operators here: addition to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus division. But along with these operators, we also have additional double star. This indicates exponentiation. If you want to find out a power of some number, for example x power y, if you want to find out x power y, then you can use this double star. That means x double star y. X double star y is nothing but x power y. So that can be easily done using this operator. Coming to the second one, assignment operator. So we know the basic assignment operator is equal to, but along with this, we also have some shorthand assignments. So equal to is the basic assignment operator. And we have plus equal to. So plus equal to, minus equal to, star equal to, all these are shorthand assignment operators. So x plus is equal to y can be written as x is equal to x plus y. So these are all called shorthand assignment operators. And next, comparison operators. So to compare two variables, we are using comparison operators. Like I can also call them as relational operators. Double equals to will compare two variables, and we also have triple equals in PHP. So double equals compares only the value, whereas triple equals compares the value and also data type. That means it will check whether the two values are identical or not. For example, $x is 10. $y is 10.0. If I check $x double equal $y, yes, I will get it as a true. But if I give triple equals, it is false. Why? Because the first one is integer, second one is fractional. Even though the value is same, but the data type is different. So in that case, triple equals will give the different value. That means false. And not equal, we know this, you are using exclamatory followed by equal. And we can also use this symbols, less than and greater than symbol for not equals in PHP. And like not equals, we can also check the not identical. So not equals will only check the value, whereas not identical will also check the data type. And we have less than, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to also. And next, increment and decrement operators. We have two decrement, two increment operators, that is pre-increment, post-increment, pre-decrement, post-decrement. So increment in the sense it will be increased by 1, decrement in the sense it will be decreased by 1. Logical operators. We know we have main three operators, logical and logical or logical not. So that can be indicated in two different ways in PHP. One is I can use and, or else you can use double and symbol. You can use or you can use double pipe symbol. And one more is XOR, and we have NOT also. XOR is different from NOT. So NOT means it will give the opposite value. XOR means it will perform the XOR operations of two values. And next, string operators. So in PHP, we can add two strings using dot operator. So we have seen in the echo statements also. If you want to perform addition of two strings, you can use dot operator. And dot equal to is a shorthand assignment operator. So like string $string1 dot is equal to $string2. Then you can perform addition of these two strings using this shorthand assignment. And last is array operators. We can also perform some direct operations on the given arrays. So plus, if I write $a plus $b, both are arrays, then it will perform union of two arrays. And double equals, directly it will check the equality of two arrays, whether the two arrays contains the same elements or not. So triple equals will check the identity, whether two arrays are identical or not. So in equality, it will check in two ways. I can use exclamatory equal, or I can also use less than and greater than symbol. And non-identical also will work along with the arrays directly. So that's all about operators. So in this video, we have seen different PHP operators like arithmetic operators, relational operators, assignment operators, array operators, string operators. Thank you.